happened? Why now? Something happened. Oh, something just happened. Just happened. Just happened. I don't just know. Everything just. You said what? I don't know what's happened, but everything just. I don't know what happened. Oh. Something just happened. Oh, sorry, my lovely people. Like just triple once. Sorry, my lovely, beautiful ladies. Oh my God, look at that girl. Joanna, I said that I shoot in my shot too. I Obana. Thank you, my lovely sister. Thank you, Nicole. Thank you. Everything just, I don't know what's gonna happen. Oh, thank you, because I really like how we communicate. I know you come from UK, me I come from Nigeria. I know you like Ghana, but so I come through with another one. Yeah, give us a wonderful time. Please invite your friends, so invite your friends for me. Good evening, everybody. Sorry, the other one when all of us they just trip off. I don't know what happened. So we get new topic today.
Good evening, everybody. Bros, good evening, brother Omoni. Good evening, sir. Thank you for joining me. Thank you, big bros, for joining me. We get new topic, so make we join ourselves, please share, make we invite our people, invite the beautiful men and women out there, so that maybe they talk together as they do before. This is my music. Brother Destiny, good evening. Thank you to join me today. Thank you. We they do and they go small. So if you don't understand us before, we they answer questions together. We they drop question anything you don't understand. If you want, if you get any topic when you want, make we talk about. We still talk about it. If you get any topic when you want, make we talk about. This one I just will talk about ourselves. So to learn together. Wetin you don't know, wetin me know, wetin me know, wetin you don't know. So we dey do am together. Then we dey do. So if you get any question, you dey drop. You get answer, you go drop. If you get any topic wey you would like, say make we still talk together. You fit still drop am. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday, everybody.
I go finish work for you tonight. Be careful, baby, you my kryptonite. Don't be trendy, don't be the liar. If they ever you like thunder, and if you travel, baby, come back.
So don't help me invite people, so we will talk am together. The top people we talk last 3 days now. If God make you the head, any day you dey where God make you the head, so make you know they oppress people. Then we talk last week. So today now we start another topic again. We start another thing again. So make we don't now make we they do them together the way they do them before. So we don't talk that one finish. Say if God make you the head, make you not go the oppress people when be say they never read them, because who get today not being get tomorrow. So the person when you be say you oppress today, tomorrow you can't be somebody. Jesus, I come So if God make you the head, don't take and oppress anybody, because we don't get power of our own. So now we stay. So we don't talk that one finish. So another topic this week again, and I want to start. Today is Sunday, and I want to start. So invite your friends, make everybody they talk and together. We'll get question. If you drop a question, if you get answer, if you still drop your answer. If you get anything, maybe say they bother people outside too much. Maybe say you still want me to talk about. We'll still talk about them. Like just teach ourselves how to be there for each other. Then we did. Happy Sunday, everybody. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. this day, my lovely sister. Thank you. Thank you, beautiful lady. My wonderful sister. Good evening, everybody. But this just day, my lovely sister. This month na my birthday, oh. My birthday month. My birthday month. So you guys wish me well, oh. Some more. Now my birthday month be this, so we be July people. The success, good luck. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you.
I can leave you, baby. You watch over me. You know they carry me, they play.
Hey, Obina Sambo. My love, Sasandra. Good evening, my love. Happy Sunday. Obina Sambo. Thank you, my lovely sister. God bless you, my lovely, beautiful woman. Now my birthday motto. So as we play this one now, we start our topic, we start our where we come from. So Sister Daisy, wetin we dey do for here na to answer question, no, na to drop topic, oh. Wetin you know and wetin I know, we dey talk am together. So last week the topic when we talk so na the head. If God make you the head, or anywhere when you dey somebody make you the head, so no use am oppress people. So to oppress people e no good. So na that one we dey talk about. So this today now we dey start with another topic again. So na that one we dey today. So after this music now we start. So stay with me, not go. Good evening, everybody. Hmm? No, yesterday I posted. I posted already. Thank you. So good evening, everybody. There's a good evening, Brother Success, Sister Success. Thank you, Sister Sandra. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you. Happy Sunday to you all. So our topic today, so is one of our that bring it to. So make we start now. So as we did do am before, if you get any question, no shame to ask. You write them out. If you no fit write am, you call me or you drop am for my WhatsApp. So we did do our topic last week now. If God make you the head, so make you no use am oppress anybody. Anywhere where they make you the head, no be only when somebody make you the head. Anywhere when God make you the head, anywhere somebody make you the head, no, so no use am oppress people. Now that one we talked last week. We talk about people when they rent one room out, when they don't they oppress their tenants. We talk about husband and wife too. We talk about company. We talk about different things. So make you know they use and oppress many anybody when they under you. In case tomorrow that person can be somebody, how you think say it go be? How you want to look, and when you come go ask something, read them. Who get today not being get tomorrow. So you come get as it be. So if everywhere they okay for us, we show love to each other. So I believe say everything go dey okay around us. Please excuse me. What? Wants to give them leave the food out. Pot. If you meet her, let her give you. Okay. Okay. So sorry. You know now as a mother, super mommy. So now that one we did today now somebody send this topic come say, may you listen.
Hello, my beautiful lady.
Yeah.
This na Nico Best. Wetin I want make we discuss or let our women know too, because like I say this program sometimes na mostly about ourselves we dey talk about.
Yes, so
I want make we come to a topic say we women we know say we fit empower ourselves, we fit do business, we fit sit down study the ones wey sabi am, get driver license, fit sit down too make we know say we fit do many things for this our land of Spain wey we dey.
yeah.
We fit still sit down do this license, do nationality. Many people dey look am, especially this nationality people wey don talk am, they dey look am like one kind big thing, say e dey hard. I want make we discuss about how we go take dey tell ourselves say we fit do many things if only we put our minds there. That na my contribution, my beautiful people in the house.
Okay. And the message when one of our lovely sister Nicobez, and she sent this one say it's still good. So this one they go, like say they go to our women well. You see, our men still get part of them, but like say they go to our women well. So with this one now, if you get anything when you want her to run, if you get any question when you want ask, if you get anything when you want talk, you fit talk. Me too, I will talk my own. So if you know anything when you know say as she take talk and so you get anything when you want talk about, make you still write am. We'll still answer am together, we'll still talk am together, we'll still do am together the way they do and they come. So they ask, they tell us now say as women be women, men still join, but now the women ain't go pass. Most of us no they get am for me. I say to get driving license we no fit get am. To even go do this exam for nationality we no fit do am. So she would in the tell us now say make we know say we fit get am. The most important thing say make we put our mind there. Na true, me too, I dey look and say, hey, I want to go do this thing, I want to go do am. But when you don start to dey do am, so I believe say God go help us finish. But na the beginning na matter for everything. Na the beginning na dey matter for everything wey we dey do. So that is why we need God direction. So na God first. So women when they think say they no fit do am, we go fit do am. Anything wey you wan do, na just mind, na just how you put your mind. So anything when you dey think say e get as e be for you for mind, nothing dey o, but put mind, you go fit do am. Nothing wey person no fit do. Na wetin me believe be that. Nothing wey person no fit do, except say you no put your mind. Because most of our women na they dey house, they no dey do anything now. But when you say this thing we can't do am, they will just conclude on their house say they no fit do this thing. Even some men, they will just conclude they no fit do am. So this driving license, some people they ask say if they just get person when right for them, will just pay am. Why you not still crack that brain? Why you not still crack that brain? Why you not still crack that your mind? Crack yourself, ginger yourself, say I go fit do this, me I go try am, me I go write am. As you see the money when you want to give somebody, if you still use am right, it will still remain for your hand. If you not still know and say you sabi read, you not sabi do anything, that one is still another thing. You know say that because of that one. So many things they want to be say we fit do, like business we fit do, like anything we know as she talk am. Make we not just fold that one, make we dey try, make we dey try. Make we not, so because like we dey now, like family day house now, family day house, and we get children. As we get children, like say car day, we supposed to go do am by ourselves, but we still dey wait for our husband, and our husband get another thing when we say he want do, like say another thing dey when he want do. So sometimes when we fit do dey drive now, we still go carry the children from school, we fit go do other things, or fit drive go work, the thing go come still left for our husband. The work come be like say equal, so that you know you're there for one person head body. So that one is still good example, my sister. So another one still dey like say to get this document. Many people don't due for this document, for this passport. Many people don't due, and many people they fear. Many people they fear to go do am, to go say make I go take the exam, or to go face the exam. I don't know what to put am. Many people they fear ram. No fear ram. If you go today, you no pass am, you will go again. You will go again, or till you reach the final bus stop. One thing fit drive you go back, it no matter. One thing they always they go and say, it no matter how many times you fall, but the waiting matter how you take get up continue, na matter pass. So make we know they get am for mind. So now we dey talk. So if you get any question when you want ask, if you get anything when you want contribute, if you get anything when you say you want make we still talk about, if you still talk, bring her out the way my sister bring her out. So now that one we dey talk, because if we get that fear, that fear even keep pass. I no fit do am. Anything when you can, I no fit do am. Why you no fit do am? You must fit do am because say na person first do am. So why you no fit do am? If woman like you fit do am, why you no fit do am? If man like you fit do am, why you no fit do am? So now wetin she talk about be that. So this say we fit do am. So some people will do business. Some people go do business today. They say they don't look for the business. So I no go do again. You know me, we'll still continue. You still continue until we succeed. This life now until we succeed. Now it be. So if you get anything to contribute, if you get anything when we say you want to talk, if you see help us, drop your comments, and we continue. So some people they feel for many, mostly of our women. Mostly our women they feel for many things. So my sister they now say, make una no fear, make una dey gidigba. They get everything for me, say you fit do am. So now we dey talk about. So as we dey see am, nothing too hard for us. But I know say most of our women they still get work. to take off children, to do this, to do that, not still easy. Before you can't stay, you can't put your brain for this one. It's not still easy, but we need to create time. We just need to create time for ourselves, because without that one, nothing will fit do. We need to create time so that we fit still dey do am as others they do am. So my sisters, my brother, if you get any question, if you get anything you want drop, you still drop, because we dey talk am together, we dey do everything together, so that it go dey easy for us. So now my sister Nicole na drop this, and she drop this one now. So now this one na to help each other. You ask questions together, we talk am together.
Sometimes na mostly about ourselves we dey talk about. I want make we come to a topic say we women we know say.
Good evening, Matthew. Sunday. Happy Sunday to you, sir.
We fit do business. We fit sit down, study the ones wey sabi am, get driver license. Fit sit down too, make we know say we fit do many things for this our land of Spain where we dey. We fit still sit down, do this license, do nationality. Many people dey look am, especially this nationality.
Sister Charity, good evening. You are welcome.
See, dey hard. I want make we discuss about how.
So I don't talk. So any question when you know say you want to ask anything, when you say you want, so maybe we dey talk am together. Oh. Drop your question, drop anything when you know say you want me we talk about. Drop anything when you want me we talk about. This one we still dey talk, so if you get anything we want to drop, you still drop, and our sister still send us this one. So if you get anything when you know say you fit join us talk about. This one is just about ourselves. How to dey there for each other, how to dey help each other. Now we dey talk about here. So bra Sunday, bra Sunday when you just dey come. Good evening. So yeah, if you get any question when you want answer, you get anything you want to talk, so if you still write them or you send a through messenger, no problem. So we dey talk, we dey help ourselves, we dey there for each other. If anything there when you don't understand, you still write them out. If anything there when be say the topic say when be say that thing when you dey see outside, they disturb our brothers outside, they disturb our sisters, the thing come well. So if you still bring her out, we talk am together. So this one now, she say make we talk about how to help ourselves. If you still know, when you know say the next person when they near you not know, make you still teach am. Make we not dey fear to ask question. Make we dey ask question. Make we not dey fear, because if you not ask, you not go know. You not go know. Not dey say this one say now, so this one say now, so this one say no. You go there, you ask question. You ask questions. So when you ask questions, you go know. They go explain to you where you go know how to do the thing. So it's very good to ask questions, because nobody know finish. Nobody know finish, because most this document issue when they talk, so this passport issue say to go put in. Many people for don't put in since many people don't due for this thing, but they fear to go put in. How they want to do am, they say make them bring this one, make them bring that. How they want to bring am, how they want to contact do am. Mostly our women we get that fear want to do am. Whereas not be say to go bring this one, bring that. Not be say it just too hard like that. Not be say it not hard, but it be not too day hard like that. It be not too day hard like that. But we not go ask question. Everything we just dey so we just keep ourselves like that. Maybe if I go ask this person, I will come dey laugh and say, see I'm what you say, you know, I not even know anything. No. That moment when you ask that person, that moment when be say you ask her, she don't tell you what you want hear, or him don't tell you what you want hear, you come up. If that person come dey laugh, I dey always talk her, she dey laugh for herself, she dey laugh herself, or he dey laugh himself, because you don't get what you want, because nobody know finish. Because that thing dey kill many people where you say I don't want me them laugh me, or this one I don't want me them laugh me, I don't want me them do me this, I don't want me them. No, you need to ask, because this war we need to dey fight until the end. You need to ask so that you will get what you want. So if any document say bring now, you not gonna know, you need to ask. When you ask, then somebody can't explain that to you. It can't be easy for you. So must they there be our brother's keeper. That's why we did there for each other. make we dey make things easy for ourselves. And you when they still make things easy for, no come turn out to another thing for person when he help you. So this one we just dey talk na, just say make we dey do things together, make we dey plan well together, make we dey there for each other, be your brother's keeper. Now make us dey talk all these things, because if nobody dey there for you, e no dey easy. If you not get anybody when dey there for you, e no easy, because this land no be our own. We need to do things together. We need to leave everything when be say they give us sadness or anything. We need to leave am behind. Say we will continue to dey there for each other. If anybody do you anything, forgive the person. Continue. Nobody knows tomorrow. It's good to forgive. So make we, if I dey good to you, you dey good to me. Things go easy for me and things go easy for you too. Things go dey easy for you, things go dey easy for me too. So like say I want this thing now, and you dey there for me. If I come out, I be want this thing, my sister, I get am, will take. If you still need am, like say you no get am, and me still get am, I go, if I get that position now, to still take am, make things dey easy for you too. Because many things don dey lost for our hand. Mostly we went dey Europe, we no get mama here, we no get papa here. Now the people wey dey around us here, now dem be our papa, now dem be our mama, now dem be our friend, now dem be our auntie, now dem be our uncle, now dem be our brothers and sisters. So e good say make we dey make things easy for each other. Wetin you no know, you see who ask, person come ask you, that person no know, he come ask. If you know and help am, help na help. E no mean say you go count million, you go do carry something wey be say e big well come take help somebody, na be help. Even small thing wey you do like this na help for somebody. So people dey when you go give am €1, €2, the way you go value am. The people wey you go even give am €10, €20, don't go value am. So that's so this life just be. Depends the time when you take need the thing. Depends on the time when you take need am. So if you get any help to give, you give. No look say because of one person don't offend you, or one person don't make you be wetin you no want make you be. You can't to say no, I no go ever do good. You can't pull that cloth. Can't go dey wear cloth when God no wear you. No, not because of one person. And they talk and they say na river dey keep person, na river person still dey drink. So this life, every good things dey, na so bad things still dey. But na the good one God go give us, and the good one everybody want choose. So by this time now, everybody supposed to don't they know their right from their left. Many people need to know their self. They're supposed to know wetin good, because every good thing when you take plant, now good things it go bring for you. If you use bad thing plant, now bad thing it go bring for you. So all these things what we dey do, so we know if you say because you not be my brother, we don't know from house come you not be anything. When I be need this thing, I say help me now, brother. See this paper when they give me, if you help me read down, and you sabi read down, you come tell me say no, I not sabi oh, I don't know am oh. Now you want give me paper, me I come dey read, I not feel read am oh. That person will come dey suffer, they go dey, and that you feel still help. You don't, God wey say make you know am, God know the reason oh, He know the reason. So you come make that person come dey waka dey go, say make go learn am by himself. Everybody get it time. There is time for everything. Some people dey when they enter one place, before you know, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, they don't speak the language. When some people were there for 1 year, 2 years, they never started to speak the language. Everybody not be the same. That is why we need to help each other. For this government of a team. So people, when God say, and they're supposed to show you the way, they will take and stress that person, say not be me say make you no know, or not be me say make you not do this, not be me say make you not do that. No. One thing when people don't know for life, when you don't start to the born, get children, we don't know where we they go tomorrow. Me as I still they do something because of my brothers for house, because of my sisters. I don't know where they go. How much more say. So e good to say all the evil things, all the bad things when we know, make we dey throw away and make we dey use the good one take dey plant. So make we learn how to do things together, to dey dey there for each other. Now we still dey talk. Make we dey there for each other because nobody know finish. No use the one when you know take dey punish another person because you don't know am. If you wan still learn, you still bring yourself down, you learn. Because you when you wan come still learn, you when you wan come still ask question, depends how you still ask your own question, and depends how you come still come wan learn. You when they wan teach you, wan come be teacher and you no know anything, that thing go still hard us. This ego dey raise our shoulder up. E don kill many people for here. Most of them dey like to raise their shoulder up, they no fit learn. Na this one wan teach me, na this one wetin you know when say wey you wan teach me, or wetin you know when you wan give me. Not no. We need to bring ourselves down, we need to bring ourselves to the learn together. Nobody is perfect. You when they want to teach, you when go ask question, when say this thing I want make I know. If you want to know anything, you bring yourself down. You bring yourself down. I say you will say learner. If not, you don't feel know anything. Now that thing the most they happen for this place where we dey. So that's why some people don't speak Spanish now. Say come go like a stone. It be like stone. It be like stone for us. It be like stone because when they go reach class, they say now the class be this. You go dey look the teacher when they teach you this small girl. I mean they come they teach now. See as you see the way they teach now, it's like say too know. Wetin I want use this Spanish do. Wetin I want use this one do. Hey, wetin I want use am do. And tomorrow many things dey when you want use am do. Because tomorrow you know they pack your load, they go Africa. Next tomorrow you know they go. So you dey here for some time. As you dey here, you need to learn wetin dey here. You need to learn wetin dey happen here. So when they go to teach you for the school, you need to learn. In case tomorrow they give you one paper, you know go dey find Mr. B, Mrs. A, make the come they read down for you every day. When be say you don't spend more than 1 year, 2 years for a year. If you not sabi read at all before, that one still dey. You not sabi read. That's why you get class. They teach. I like the teaching when they teach us for Europe here. Not be like the teaching when we get for Nigeria then. Then go teach you like baby. They will teach you like say they know they teach you. When they will teach you, you will say they know they teach you, but they teach you. If you really listen to them, they look them, they do look what they do. They really they teach. Not be Nigeria when we go there, when they say they teach you, slap from here. It's okay. When the way the teacher will tell you, okay, the way the teacher will tell you, they threaten you, you know, feel learn anything with the fear. But here, they will, as they teach you, they will play with you. The way they would play with you, you'll be like say they're not serious. But they're serious. They use that play, they teach you how it be. So that made the thing they easy for you. Made the thing they easy for you. That's why when they go to teach you, when you did their class, when they go to teach you, and it's like if you say you come, may you can't learn, you will not say that they teach you something. You will not say they're ready to teach you. So then, when they still say this document of a thing, they say you can't do it. Then, if you don't still learn from them, when they will give you paper, you will still pronounce one something come out for inside the thing where they give you. You will still say talk something come out. Tomorrow, for this land, you will go work. When you go reach working place, when they go say, go bring biro, you will go carry notebook come. When they say bring the notebook, you go take biro come. Because you don't even learn at all. The language means a lot for our life here. Because thank you, my brother. Because we know they go tomorrow, we know they go Africa tomorrow, we know they go Africa next tomorrow. Even people when they Africa, they won't even come here. That is why we need to learn. This land when we do, we need to learn. We need to learn. It get waiting. I first talk on that day. Not prayer with they just say God come do and God do. It get some prayer when we say we feel do to each other. When we say we know you go they suffer, they call God for everything. We feel do for each other when we say we'll do. If you want to pray again, another thing what they pray for. Not be every day you have to pray one prayer. No. So if you go the school, you still bring yourself down. You bring yourself down, say I ready to learn. You must if na one day na one thing you learn is okay. You no mean say you never know all finish. You no mean, but then wetin matter pass say you still learn one. That's why we need to bring ourselves down. We need to bring ourselves down so that we'll feel learn. If we not bring ourselves down, we don't feel anything. Even though we go work, the person wey dey our up say go do this thing, you go say where you go dey send you, you no go bring yourself down. You dey house like husband say make we go do this thing, na everyday go dey say you no wan do am. Like that thing na like this when you carry I don't know who talk. I say they go dey do like say they get boy for their armpit, they are called dey raise their hand like this. No, we need to bring ourselves down. If you bring ourselves down, things go dey easy well for us. Who dey ask, who wan go ask, the thing go dey easy for us. We go dey teach ourselves, we go dey learn together. We go dey learn together because many people dey quick catch up, many people no dey quick catch up. So make we no dey raise ourselves, make we try to dey learn, make we try to dey help ourselves, make we dey know why anything we wan do, make we dey know the reason why we wan do am. Everybody, good evening. Beg, if you just dey come, we dey talk about ourselves here. If you get any answer, if you get anything when we talk, anything when I talk, maybe say if you still write and say I no understand though, but we dey teach together. Wetin you will still know say I talk. If you get anything to add to am, my sister, my brother, make you write am. We'll still talk am together. We dey answer question together. Anything when they bother us, we dey do am together here. If you see anything when they happen for outside, when be say the thing don't too happen to our brothers, it don't too happen to our sisters. If anyway they will still talk and say maybe go still make us release our strength or our wetin dey bother us, we dey talk am together here. That we dey here for. So anything. Good evening, everybody. Sister Joy, good evening. Brother Joseph, good evening. Sister Lois, good evening. Good evening, Brother Azuma. Thank you all. Thank you as una join me. May God bless you all. So now we dey talk together. So make we not dey use things dey worry ourselves because we all na brothers and sisters. As far as say na one God we dey serve, we be brothers and sisters. So if anything dey somebody ask you as we dey this land, I first talk and say papa no dey here, mama no dey here. So anybody when dey around us, na be our papa, na be our mama, na be our brothers, na be our auntie, na be our uncle. Wetin I no know, I can't ask you. You dey the position to make me know. Please, no leave am for me. Make the thing worry me. So anything when me still know, say e go still help you. When be say I know say you no know am, and you still need that help. So I no go still leave am. Say make it worry you. So if you dey help ourselves like that, wetin I mean, if we dey help ourselves like that, things go dey easy for us. Things go dey easy for us because this life is not easy. Wetin we dey pass through not easy. So it's just like when somebody dey problem, you no know as you want to talk, you can't dey talk, e can't call you, that thing dey bother am well well, you no know wetin you wan do. That moment e can't carry for, e can't call you. My brother, my sister, see wetin I dey pass through. You know say that person as e dey so e just dey hot and e need somebody to bring am down. You come to say I will talk to you later, whereas you don't get anything when you dey do. Oh, that person when he call you, when he want talk to you, at the moment you pick am, you talk with am, e pace go down, e pace dey go down because some people dey when something dey hot, when they see somebody when they talk to, the thing go release them. So now wetin I take am dey make be that, for example, say we need to dey there for each other. And brothers and sisters, if you still get topic, make you still drop am o. Make you still drop o. Good evening, everybody. So now wetin we dey talk be that. Say make we dey there for each other. Mostly this Europe, make we dey there for each other. And you when e come ask, make you not take and worry who you go ask o. And you when they come ask, make you not still take and worry who come ask you. You when you still know. So now wetin we dey talk about with that. So my brothers and sisters, if you get anything to drop, you fit still drop am o. So that make we dey talk am together, make e not dey for one side. Maybe wetin me dey talk now, So maybe wetin me dey talk now, e no still am as you take think am. So still write am out the way you take think am, we'll still talk am together. Everybody get reason, everybody get, they get the right, everybody get right to talk. Everybody get right to talk. That's why we dey talk am together, we dey do am together, so that e go dey easy for us, so that e go dey easy for us, because nobody know finish. One person no dey know finish. One person no dey know finish. So as we dey talk am na so we go dey ask ourselves how e be, how we take dey do am, because many people believe say they don know am, nothing again, nothing dey happen again. So anybody wey you know say you wan know am, make the person go, make you go learn, make you go ask. No, we need to dey there for each other, so that make things dey easy for us. Things go dey, this things dey easy for me, e dey easy for you. This thing wey we dey look, so say this one go dey say na devil, this one go say na my enemy, this one go say na this, e dey easy. But there's nothing like say when we love ourselves, when we dey help each other, when we dey there for each other. Na God still talk and say love yourself, love your neighbor the way when you love yourself. God wey talk and you know the reason why he talk am like that. When you love outside, love anybody as the way you love yourself, everything go dey okay. No be pretending. No, when you love who dey outside, still can't take that love when you get, take love as person when you, as you take love yourself, you can't still love another person like that. Everything go dey easy. Everything go dey easy. Make we do things to easy for us, because the way everything is stone, the way everything take be like heavy stone when they for you, when they go down, e not just good. E not just good. Nobody want dey there for each other again. Nobody want even be there for you. They say be your brother keeper. Nobody want be anybody keepers again. Nobody want dey there for each other again. Nothing when dey this life. Not wetin we know when we say others no fit know. Me, I don't see anything when we know, when we say, you know, if you get that mind, say make it the next person when they near you still know am. Like make we, like say make we show love to ourselves. Make we dey show love to ourselves. Make we dey learn things too dey bad for us. So you will say that, some people will say instead when I go follow my own country people waka, I go for, I better go follow another people waka. We will dey condemn ourselves. We will dey do everything. Not be so it be, not be so it for be o, for look, and not be so it's supposed to be, because nothing dey this life. The person they go since morning, don't go. It don't go. Like somebody when they alive, you know they there for him. You know like him. You hate him for no reason. You just they say na so it be or not be so it be. When they come to say something happen to person, that person may God let anything evil happen to us. When something come now, you come dey shout pass, and you come dey cry pass, and you come dey do everything pass. But when it dey that place, when it dey close to you, you don't see anything when you do for them. When that person will take happy one day, nothing when you show, and this love you not show and say make you take happy one day. But when it can't die, you can't dey cry. When you can't dey cry, they overheat yourself. They say why this person go die? Why this person go die? Why you not show and love when it dey alive? It's good when make we get good memory, like yesterday when it passed. We'll get that yesterday good memory. Better pass say we get them like evil say like yesterday. Now we know if we remember around. We don't want to remember around because the way it be, you know they okay. Like say yesterday really good. We show good. You would like to the remember around. We would like to the remember around. So make we show that goodness to everyone when they near us. Everybody when they near us, we will show good, we will show love, we will show happiness. So now that one with the talk. Good evening, sister. Mommy, sister Juliet. Thank you. You are welcome, ma. So now we see with the talk with that. It's good to show good example. It's good to show love to each other. It's good to love ourselves, still love others. So now we see I get today that be that too. Thank you. Sister Love it. Thank you, ma. I really see you. Thank you, thank you. May God bless you, ma. So now what will they talk with that? Because many people take on like say nothing they happen. They are sure that they like this, nothing they happen. Something they happen, no. if you not show love to somebody and something come happen to you, no one go show love to you. No one go show love to you. So now we dey talk say as we dey make we dey show love to ourselves. I really appreciate you all. Thank you everybody. We don dey here since more than like 1 hour now. So till on Friday again, we dey come back again, come talk. If you get, please abeg, if una get any topic wey una want say make we talk about, if you get my number, you fit call me. If you fit still enter my Facebook, my messenger, you fit still write me if anything dey. If anything dey when you no still understand, say how this platform still dey work, you no still understand am, my sisters and my brother, make you still call me or you write me, say make we tell you how wetin we dey do here and how we take dey do am. So I really thank you all. May God bless una for me. Make this new week dey good for everybody. May God bless us and bless our family for us. So abeg on Friday, make una no still leave me. We get another topic too when we say we go talk about. We still get another topic when we say we'll talk about. Make una join me on Friday again, my lovely brothers and sisters. Thank you, thank you, thank you. May God Almighty bless all of una. Do have a nice week, blessed week, lovely week, favor week. Thank you, thank you. Bye.